Alright, so this is going to be a random surprise item review. My brother got me this. I think he said it's supposed to be a Christmas present, but he wanted to see what like how it looked and everything, so we're opening it way early. Anyways, if you know what this is, Hansshow. Alright, so this is, I don't know if they make other stuff, but they make a bunch of Tesla accessories and things. And I was like, what did he buy me? Because he said it's for my Cybertruck. And I'm like, for my Cybertruck? What'd you buy? I already like get like all the accessories and stuff. So I guessed what it was after several guesses, and he was like, that's what it is. So let's open it up and we'll take a look. He's been saying, when are you gonna review it? When are you gonna review it? And he said the company sent him a thing asking like what he thinks of it and stuff. So yeah, so now we're opening it up. Okay, so they tape it all up here. Gotta be careful because I don't want to cut through the box and damage it. Okay, but they tape it up and package it really well. Oh, I guess they just wrapped it around. I thought it was like in an envelope. Interesting. Okay, so I guess we just gotta pop this open, and here you can see die cast, and it's in Chinese on here. Let's pop this open. Anyways, here you go. It's all, they just put it in this baggie like this. Interesting. So we'll pop it out. Alright, and I don't know, they put some tape over it. I don't know what they're trying to hide under there, but they got some black tape. Let's see what's under here, because I'm curious. And there's a review channel, and if you've seen my review videos, you know I like finding out what everything is going on with this stuff. So let's see here. What is this? Is there a hole? What is this? Hey! What is that? I think there was a UPC code on top and they cut it off or something. I don't know what that's about. Or was there a price on top? Maybe they... You see that? They cut the layer and then they like shaved it off. And then they just put some black tape on there. Do they think people wouldn't know? What is that? It's probably because they don't make it. They bought it from somewhere and then they're reselling it. But anyways, here you can see die cast. Oh, they cut a lot of stuff. What is this? What's all this stuff they cut out here? What's going on? Alright, so I found out what's going on. As you can see, you can buy the same exact thing from Temu. You can actually get different colors as well if you want. It's less than $16, so if you want one, buy it from there, not from Hansshow. Okay, so it takes some batteries here. I don't have the batteries. I'm assuming it's because it lights up. And yeah, it's all, what is this? Was it like pre-opened by them or something? What is this? Alright, anyways. Let's see if I can open it up the way I usually do without tearing the tape. Okay. Just get under there and peel that up. The tape's gonna get all messed up anyways. But let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh, the tape's getting torn up. Okay, obviously you can just fast forward over if you don't care to see me how I open my stuff. Alright. Go. It left some sticky residue. Okay, anyways, now let's open this. So I don't want to tear it, so I'm pulling the tab forward, but it seems to not want to come out. So come on. Yeah, it's gonna tear itself. Come on, let go. There we go. Alright, we got that out. Now let's go ahead and slide this whole thing out. So it looks like a two-piece foam. We'll slide this guy out. Okay, there's some tiny Tesla stickers here. Am I supposed to stick these on the truck? I don't know. There's no Tesla logos on the trucks in real life, so at least not like largely visible. So here we go. There's a mini ATV there. Does it come off? It's stuck. How do you get it off? Well, it just sits on there. Wow, it's somewhat heavy. Okay. And here you can see where it says the batteries go. See, there's supposed to be a plastic tab in here that you're supposed to pull out to get it to turn on. But, what does it say? Third gear switch? What? Oh, I hate this foam stuff. It, like, doesn't get off of me. Okay. Yeah, styrofoam, like, static clings to everything. And I can't get rid of it. Okay, anyways. There we go. We'll set that aside. And let's take a look. So, there's a baby little ATV on it, but you can't take it off. How is it secured on there? Oh, there's a screw. Yeah, so I don't think you can even take that out. Interesting. There's like a screw or something right in the middle, in the bottom there. That's too bad. Why didn't they just make so you have two? All right, let's see if it turns on. Oh, there we go. So it has the lights here. What does the third one do? On, off. Is it like when the lights are off? Is that? No? What does this third one do? There's the middle one. There's off. And what's the third switch? I don't know what the third gear one is. Okay, anyways. This looks a little bit scuffed there. Does this open? No. The front doesn't open. There's no windshield wiper. It definitely looks like someone took this out before because you can see the plastic on top has little bubblies in it. Alright, these open. Okay, so you can see inside. The inside is all plastic seats. There's a little thing on the screen there, you can see. That's not even the actual Tesla stuff. It has a YouTube play button, a phone call, email, eject button, maps, web, Instagram, and TikTok logos at the bottom. Oop, how do I show that? There you go. Okay. Alright, the seats, they're not adjustable. And the backs of the seats, they didn't finish them. You can see that. Come on, they could have at least put some plastic on the back there so it's not like a hollow thing. But that's how they did it. Okay, it has the original wheel covers. And these can turn. Wait, is this supposed to be remote control? I don't know. Anyways, it has springs so that they both turn at the same time. I don't know, it doesn't sound like it's... No, it's not linked to any motor, so it's not supposed to be remote control. Alright, and okay, the trunk does come down, and it looks like the ramp... Oh, the ramp also comes out. So the ramp also comes out. So it does have a ramp, but you can't take this off. Okay, so it does have the... Oh, okay. So maybe when it's on, does it... No? It's one like you can wind it up by pulling it back and it will drive. So if I pull it back and let go, it drives on its own. I wonder how... Wow. Wow, that's like spinning and spinning. But I don't know what this on mode is for. Wow, that's spinning a long time. Okay. So, I don't know if there's a way to release the little cybercab. I mean, not the cybercab, the ATV. You'd probably have to, like, disassemble it, I guess. There's no instructions on how to do that. But I'm assuming they don't want you to take it off. The wheels do rotate. You can see if I roll these wheels, they actually spin. Okay. And these wheels, oh, these wheels don't really turn well, the front ones, but they do have like some kind of suspension screw with a spring there, so I don't know, it looks like it should be The seat also has some suspension on it. Oh, that's for the rear. You see, this has a rear suspension spring as well. But yeah, alright, I'm pretty sure the steering wheel doesn't do anything. Nope, steering wheel doesn't do anything. On some die-cast things, when you turn these, you can actually see the steering wheel move. This, you don't see the steering wheel move at all. I guess that's because it's electronically linked and it's off. Alright, anyways, as you can see, this is the old design because there are door handles on the door, but these are supposed to be little buttons up here. Okay, so this is the old design. Obviously, the new one also didn't have the ATV here, and also the flap for the charge port is on this piece, not actually on the body of the vehicle. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say about it. I don't know what the on switch does. If somebody knows, let me know. Because this stays on when it's in. Oh, you can also see there's the tail lights, the two. There's some stuff stuck in there. Guess we can use this to get that foam gunk out of there. Okay. There we go. But, yeah, there's not really much else to show about it. At least not that I know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it does come off. So you just had to pull harder. Okay, so it has this, and you can see, oh, this one also goes. Whoop. Okay, so let's see. I thought it was screwed on. I was like, that's dumb. Okay. But the thing is, because it uses that mounting system, now you can't, like, let's see. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be able to roll up this, but. Okay, ready? Go. Go. Nope, it's not strong enough. So yeah, as you can see, it has a little thing, this hexagon. This little circle goes in there, and then it has this extra post to go up there. So, yeah, it felt like I was going to break it trying to rip it off, but you just pull it off and it comes out. Okay, and yeah, these don't turn, but they do, like, bounce for suspension. Alright, not really much else to show, I think. Oh, I guess now that we got the ATV off, you can see the little window through the back. You can actually see through it. So that's cool. Obviously can't pull down a Temu cover, but that's pretty much it. All right, let's roll this thing or put this back in and close it. So yeah, also the actual Cybertruck doesn't have this ramp, okay? So definitely that's yeah. Oh, and actually you can see also the lights when you open it. It's seen through there, and then it has the little red that it lets it go through that bar. All right, so that's pretty much it. Yep. And yeah, I don't know what the on button does. It's the same as the off button, so I don't know. But yeah. See, it says third gear switch. I don't think does that change anything? Seems the same. Yeah, I don't think anything changes with that. Alright, so yeah, I mean there's this weird blemish here. Maybe it was a return. Why does this feel like it's moving? Can this open? Oh, the front can open. Okay, there you go. You can see under the frunk. Sorry, the lighting is bad, I know. There's not really much frunk space in there, and it doesn't open like the actual Cybertruck frunk. It's supposed to open from here, so it doesn't do that. But there you go, and it doesn't have the actual headlights that are down there. So yeah, this is the old model design, not updated. But yeah, not really much else to it. It does have that wind-up feature, so it's a fun toy. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, oops, let's drop this bite. Alright, so while I was messing with it, I found out a few more things. So, I already showed this comes off, right? But I didn't realize this also comes off. So, you can take the whole thing out and can just put it in there so it can be free to move around like that. Alright, and one more thing I found out is I was wondering what the other on switch does. Let me show you. And you're going to be like, what? Okay, so this is the regular in the middle, is just for the lights, okay? And the on mode, this is what the on mode does. So right now it's off, but these have suspension, so that's what it does. So it's an EV. It's an EV that makes engine noises. So it only triggers from the front wheel suspension. So basically, since all the wheels have, you see the suspension there, when you push it down, that's when it makes the... So not only is it the old Cybertruck design, and also it's a dark color. This is like almost, what do you call? It's like a black chrome color, or alloy, zinc alloy. Okay, so yeah, but it's also an ICE vehicle. Except there's actually no combustion going on. There's no battery propulsion. It's actually propelled by a spring, by that whatever that mechanism, the wind-up reverse mechanism. I don't know what you call that mechanism, but oh, there you go. Whoa! Look how long it turns. It spins faster if I keep it this way, but that's funny. So the lights only stay on while it's playing that audio. You can see how long the lights stay on. And there you go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Hopefully it helped you see what this Hansshow, I don't know how you pronounce it, Cybertruck does. My brother got this for me as a present. And that little smudge, it did kind of clean off. I just needed to use a little water or something to wipe it. Alright, and yeah, I don't know. I guess they just don't put this thing on too well from factory, because it is bubbles, not like dust or anything. Well, there's tiny specks, but not really. Not like someone like dirtied it and then put it back on. Alright, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.